Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the dock magnification on your Mac. It's a really easy way to customize your desktop experience and make it more comfortable for you. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tricks. We're always adding new content to help you get the most out of your Apple devices. Okay, so what we're going to do today is show you step by step how to adjust the dock magnification. This will allow you to enlarge the icons in your dock when you hover your mouse over them, making them easier to see and click on. You can customize how much they magnify and even turn the magnification feature off completely. Let's jump right into it. Screen recording starts. Alright, the first thing we need to do is open System Settings. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and then selecting System Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, in System Settings, look for Dock in the sidebar. You might need to scroll down a little bit to find it. Once you see Dock, click on it. Okay, great. Now we're in the dock settings. Here you'll see a bunch of options for customizing your dock, including the one we're interested in, Magnification. See that slider next to Magnification? This is what controls how much the icons in your dock will enlarge when you hover over them. Currently, it's probably set somewhere in the middle. Let's play around with it. If you drag the slider to the left, towards minimum, the magnification will be very subtle. If you drag it all the way to the right, towards maximum, the icons will become much larger when you hover over them. Go ahead and experiment with the slider until you find a magnification level that you like. You can hover your mouse over your dock to see the changes in real time. If you don't want any magnification at all, you can simply toggle the magnification option off. Just click the switch next to it, and the icons will no longer enlarge when you hover over them. This can be useful if you prefer a cleaner, less distracting dock. And that's it. It's that simple. You've now successfully customized the dock magnification on your Mac. You can close System Settings, and your changes will be saved automatically.
Screen recording ends.
So there you have it. That's how you change the dock magnification on your Mac. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments below what other Mac tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.